One is the emotional freedom, that we feel emotionally restricted, emotionally constricted. We are not able to do what we want, what we really would like to do, what we would like to become, we are not able to become. That is basically, the whole freedom is restricted by our small identity, we said. That the confusion about our own identity, that we think we are small, limited, that I is limited by our body, mind, personality, which is not true. We are, in reality, we are universal. And the whole Vedantic sadhana is only to take us from the constricted identity to an universal identity as far as possible, if not the full of it. The one is that emotional constriction which we would like to get rid of, that is one freedom. Another is the intelligential constriction, that is doubts and dilemmas, to know what is dharma, what is adharma, which path to take, which path not to take, what is true, what is not true, what is the meaning of truth. All these are under intellectual limitations, the intelligential limitations, let us call it. So two kinds of bondage we are suffering from. One is the intelligence, another in the emotional part of our being. That we have to understand very well. Once we understand the bondage, we can understand freedom also. Vedanta has got, I said, just like a single tablet for all ailments, all diseases. It is called Sarva Roga Hara. That means it takes away all the diseases of human beings. Not bodily disease, all other diseases. So that tablet is single, that is to change our identity from a small, selfish, puny being, a personality limited by our body, mind, personality, to an universal identity. That is the tablet. So we said that whatever is leading to expansion within, strength within, that will lead us to the final goal. So whatever gives us a feeling of expansion is the sadhana. Whatever gives us a feeling of constriction is the reverse of sadhana. That is a very plain definition of our Vedantic sadhana, which will be true for any person anywhere in the world. It does not depend on or get colored by any religion, any racial difference or religious difference, racial difference, or country difference or language difference. Nothing it has to deal with. It is dealing with human mind and intelligence, which is same everywhere in the world. The vices we have are the same. The main vice is the desire, which we have to get rid of. That is the fundamental point of Vedanta. And the virtues we speak of, they are also same everywhere in the world. So this sadhana is a universal sadhana. It has got nothing to do with Hindu religion. We associate Hindu religion because it is originated from India. It has originated and perfected at a time when there was no religion anywhere in the world at all. It is much beyond all religious differences. If any practice in the world has the capacity to become a universal religion, this is only the Vedanta which can become the universal religion for everybody. People don't understand and they color it as Hindu or Indian. Actually, Bharata, the India, the Shabda Indian has been given by the others. Our country is called Bharata. Bharata means, Bha means Prakasha. This is a fundamental word in our studies, in our scriptures. We will, as we progress, we will know more and more what this Bha represents. If you understand Bha, everything is done. Bha means Prakasha, revelation. Bharata, Rata means one who is engaged in. So Bharata means one who is engaged in the sadhana of Prakasha. That is meant by Bharata. So all the spiritual sadhana is to know what is the Prakasha inside, what is the revelatory power inside. So if we come to know, if we are engaged in that sadhana of knowing the truth inside, which is revealing the whole world, all the objects in the universe are revealed by that consciousness inside. If we are given to that sadhana, then we belong to Bharata. So most of us do not have the right to belong to Bharata. We are born in Bharata, but we don't have the right to belong to Bharata unless we are given to this sadhana. And anybody in the world, be he in USA or London or Malaysia or Indonesia or in the North Pole or South Pole or in the moon, if he is given to this sadhana of Prakasha to know what is the revelatory power inside, then he is a Bharatiya. He is an Indian.